Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing guys how you can create a video inside of text, but just like the outline of it on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to type in the word hello. You don't have to, but I'm just going to type that in and select like a pretty bold font. Maybe like this Avenir one. I use that one a lot. Maybe this one. There you go. And then select this right here and then go to stroke and adjust the thickness if you don't want it too bold. Right click on it and then create compound clip. Go to blend mode and choose screen or brighten, I think. And then here if you add in like a background, it's gonna stay like transparent as you can see. But that's honestly it. You can like overlay that on top and like create some sort of like outline effect if you'd like to, and like add another one. I don't know, it's up to you totally, but I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!